I just added this SeeSii cordless impact wrench to my Overland toolkit. It's an upgrade I've wanted for a while. SeeSii's been getting great reviews. This comes with everything you need, including 5 thin-walled lug nut sockets that'll fit just about anything. This is why I picked it. It comes with this side handle that you can move to either side. It makes the tool so much easier to use. That was about 45 seconds for all 6 lug nuts. It's a great tool. I also bought this Dewalt socket set. It has just about every size you could need. It comes with a ratchet and an extension. With the extension that's in the impact set, I have 2 of those now. And this is a good quality kit that should last me a lifetime. It has a nice case as well.